Good morning, Paul here, bringing you a meditation from the National Park near our home, Emu Mountain. And it's coming from 1 Peter 5, which says this: be sober, be vigilant, because your adversary the devil walks about you like a roaring lion, seeking whom he may devour. The old crow up there waiting for some piece of flesh to die on the ground. But resist him, steadfast in the faith, says the Word of God. And we're not devourable if we have the Word of God in us, because the devil actually hates the smell of God. In James 4 it says, submit yourselves then to God, resist the devil and he will flee from you. That's how Jesus got rid of the devil when he was on the Mount of Temptation. He said, it is written, man shall not live by bread alone, but by every word that proceeds from the mouth of God. He used the word as a weapon. It is a weapon we can use against the devil. It's a sword, and the sword of the Spirit. So if we're humbling ourselves before the Lord, he will lift you up. That's also from James 4 verse 10. So we'll be strengthened in God if we seek the Lord, if we get into the Word, and then we'll be able to resist the devil when we're sober and vigilant, and he will flee from us. You have a great day. See you later.